Hey guys, this is Lego Masterish. What is up? I am doing a Lego review of Uriki Army. Actually, I tried this many times before, but my friends were over and they kept messing it up. So, yeah. There are 6 minifigures, 4 Uriki, and 2 Rohan soldiers. Here is the first Uriki. I don't think they have, like, suspicious... Okay, I don't know how to say that word. This one has hair. They all have double-sided faces and back printing. They all do, every single one of them, except for the horse. It spoiled it. I took the armor and helmets and stuff off because I'm gonna review those too. Same with this. There's like 3 plain ones, one with hair. Oh yeah, this is $30 US. Here is the Rohan soldier. He is Eomir, I think that's how you pronounce it. Oh no, wait, this one's not Eomir. This is Eomir with the black, not the black beard, the orange beard. Orange beard on this side. This is a Rohan soldier. I call him an archer because he is one. I just wanted to put it on this. Here is the horse. I don't know if they're all like this, but its hind legs can move. And he has like that kind of like face. Okay, now on to the weapons. There is one machete sword. I don't really know what they're normally called, but I call them that. Here is another one. Here is a sword. Really cool. Here is I don't know what this is called. I think it's called a pole axe. It's really cool. Here is a spear. Here is another pole axe. Now on for helmets. This is for the Rohan soldier. This is for Eomir. It's like gold stuff on it. Here's one helmet. 2 helmet. 3 helmet. There's no 4 because one guy has hair. There's only 2 shields for the bad guys, 1 for the good guys. And this is actually really cool, I think, how they made that. It's for Eomir. Here's a quiver for the Rohan soldier. Here is one armor. It's for the people with the pole axe, which is, yeah. Here is another armor. And onto the set itself. The wall. There's a flag here with gold and green. There is a catapult here. There's some fire. Here's a little window right here. If you know what that's supposed to be, tell me please. And here's like a little window here, one on the other side. Here's the other little window. There's like a little platform up here. You could put your man. There's that. Oh my god. I am so sorry. I forgot the other part. So, you would just stay here a minute. Sorry about this, guys. Please stay with me. Okay, YouTube, I am so sorry for that. What? My light turned off? Okay, whatever. I am so sorry. Here is what they attack with. It can come off, but I don't know why you would want that. Here's wheels. You can move it. There's these really cool boards. You can use that. It's like you don't really like it anymore. You can use them for like an abandoned house. You know, there's a thing here. It's upstairs. I ain't going for it. These can shoot. These can actually move. And play feature really is they shoot it, catapult fires at them and stuff. And actually, I'm gonna try and do a stop motion. I'm gonna go on YouTube and see it and see like how to do a stop motion. So like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Bye.